Congratulations, you've launched your crypto startup, white paper, Discord, and a token with a wild name. But here's the catch. The tax man is coming and he doesn't care how futuristic your project is. Corporate tax is the price of doing business even in crypto. Ignore it. And you're inviting audits, penalties, and stress that makes a market crash look relaxing. Your crypto company is a business, not a hobby or a loophole. Taxes aren't just a nuisance, they're essential for survival. The real threat to your project isn't a rival or a bear market, it's a letter from the IRS or HMRC. These agencies have seen every trick in the book. Failing to plan for taxes is like building a spaceship and forgetting the toilet. Messy and unsustainable. So, let's make sure your crypto rocket is ready for launch with compliance built in. This isn't about killing innovation, it's about protecting it. Plan for taxes from day one. Let's dive in and keep your crypto dream alive. What is corporate tax? Think of it as the government's subscription fee for letting your company operate. When your company earns a profit, the government takes a cut. It's the cost of using roads, courts, and not having to fend off bandits. You calculate it by subtracting expenses from revenue. What's left is profit, and that's taxed. But what counts as an expense? That's where things get tricky. Corporate tax is separate from your personal income tax or sales tax. It's a tax on the company's profits, not yours. The government doesn't care how innovative you are, they want their share. Every dollar you pay in tax is a dollar you can't use to grow your business. Smart tax planning means more resources for your project. It's not about evasion, it's about legal, strategic planning. Don't waste money by overpaying taxes. Treat tax management like any other business decision. Here's where it gets wild. Crypto isn't seen as currency by tax agencies, but as property. That means almost every crypto transaction is a taxable event. Pay an employee in Ethereum? Taxable. Swap Bitcoin for an altcoin? Taxable. Buy a server with crypto? Taxable. Every move triggers a potential gain or loss you must report. Staking rewards, airdrops, and DeFi activities? The rules are vague and changing. You need to track the cost basis of every coin and calculate gains or losses on each transaction. If you bought Bitcoin at 20K and spent it at 60K, you owe tax on the 40K gain. The compliance burden is huge, and the rulebook is still being written. Crypto tax is an administrative monster. Stay alert, or risk getting buried in paperwork and penalties. If you remember one thing, let it be this: record everything. Every transaction, no matter how small, must be documented. Your best friend isn't your VC, it's a detailed spreadsheet, or better yet, crypto accounting software. Manual tracking is a recipe for disaster. For each transaction, log the date, type of crypto, amount, value in local currency, and purpose. The blockchain is not a tax report, it's just raw data. You need to provide context for every transaction. Start tracking from day one. Don't wait until tax season. Use software that connects to your wallets and exchanges to automate this. Good records save you time, money, and headaches. It's the cheapest insurance against tax trouble. Founders are optimists, but optimism can be fatal for tax compliance. Mixing personal and business funds? Don't do it. Keep everything separate. Misclassifying digital assets is another trap. Token sale proceeds are usually taxable revenue, not just fundraising. Ignoring taxable events is a huge mistake. Using crypto for expenses can trigger capital gains. Many founders forget to account for these gains, leading to massive tax bills later. Relying on incomplete data is another pitfall. Exchange CSVs don't capture everything. Airdrops, DeFi, wallet transfers, all must be tracked. Failing to consolidate all your data means your tax return will be wrong. The tax office won't be forgiving if your numbers don't add up. Garbage in, garbage out. Don't let sloppy records sink your company. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll avoid most disasters. Take tax compliance as seriously as your code. Every founder faces a moment they can't slay the tax dragon alone. You might be a crypto genius, but you're probably not a tax expert. Trying to DIY your taxes is like doing your own dental surgery. Possible, but a terrible idea. Hire a pro the moment your company does anything beyond existing. Planning a token sale, paying in crypto, building a treasury. Get a crypto tax advisor, not just any accountant. Find someone with real crypto experience. Ask tough questions. How do they handle staking rewards? Airdrops? If they can't answer, keep looking. A good advisor is a strategic partner, not just a cost. They'll help you structure, plan, and survive audits. Peace of mind is priceless. Don't be a hero, get help. Your future self will thank you.